In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a lead in Salesforce CRM. So first, log into your Salesforce account and make sure you're on the home page of your account. Then, look at the left menu bar and go to Sales. Then, select Leads. After that, click Add a Lead to start creating your new lead. Now you'll see a form where you need to fill in the required lead information. You'll need to enter the lead status, name, company, and any other mandatory fields that are marked with red asterisks. Make sure you don't skip these. From there, go ahead and enter additional lead details like phone number, address, email, and industry in their respective fields. Once that's done, make sure you've selected an appropriate lead status from the drop-down menu. You can choose something like new, nurturing, or qualified depending on where this lead is in your process. Finally, click the Save button to create your new lead in Salesforce. And that's how you create a lead in Salesforce CRM. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.